Today, I am going to compare two different versions of CHATRAMUE Thai Jasmine Green Tea, the original Thai Jasmine Green Tea and the extra green Thai Jasmine Green Tea. We are going to find out which of the two tastes better and which one do I prefer. Let's take a look at the basic differences between the two. This is the original and the color is very green, and this is the new version which is called extra green, but the color of the packaging is slightly lighter green color. In terms of smell, the smell of the original smells very strong of jasmine. The new version of Thai Jasmine Green Tea has got just a hint of jasmine and more green tea. In terms of price, this is cheaper. This is about 75 Thai baht or about $250 US. This is about $3 US. Now outside Thailand, the cost or the price might be higher because of all the import duties and the shipping costs. For the ingredients, Thai Jasmine Green Tea, evaporated milk. For those that have no access to evaporated milk, you can also use fresh milk, condensed milk, which I combine into a milk syrup. This time I'm using 50% condensed milk and 50% evaporated milk because I am going to use sugar to add sweetness to the drink, and I'm also going to add creamer. You can use any brand of creamer. And just to make the presentation better, I'm going to top it up with cold milk foam. I am going to use exactly the same recipe for both, and we are going to compare the taste later. So we are going to start using the original Thai Jasmine Green Tea, and I'm going to use my tea sock strainer. Make sure that your tea sock strainer is sterilized. I use hot water to sterilize my tea sock strainer. For the pour over method, I'm going to use 2 measuring cups, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of Thai Jasmine Green Tea, 200 ml of hot water, and we're going to do the pour over 5 times. So start by pouring just a little bit of your hot water into the tea to let it bloom. Wait for a few seconds and then pour over, starting from high to low, and do it 5 times. Now the reason for the high and low pour over is just to make sure that you get a deliciously smelling Thai Jasmine Green Tea. Now this is my brewed jasmine green tea. I'm going to add sugar, creamer, and my milk syrup. Now make sure all are well combined. Now because we use hot tea, the sugar and the creamer will easily dissolve into the hot tea. So what you need to make these drinks is a constant supply of hot water. Next, let's make our jasmine green tea latte using the extra green version. So for this, I'm also going to use the same amount of Thai Jasmine Green Tea, 2 tablespoons, 200 ml of hot water, pour over 5 times. And this is now my Jasmine Green Tea latte using the extra green version. Add sugar, creamer, milk syrup. Start to combine, make sure everything is fully dissolved. And this is now my Jasmine Green Tea latte using extra green version. Now that I have both of them, it is time to assemble them into our cup. So I've got here 2 cups of ice. I'm going to pour them at the same time into my 22 ounces cups. For presentation purposes, I am going to top them up with milk foam. And there we have 2 Thai Jasmine Green Tea latte. Okay, there you go, 2 different types here. I'm going to give this a try first. The presentation is good because of the milk foam on top. Okay, this one. Okay, well, in terms of color, the color of this is more vibrant than the extra green. You can use the color of the packaging to make sure that you don't get it mixed up. And in terms of smell, the smell of this drink is very, very floral, jasmine green tea. This one is just a hint. In terms of taste, hands down, I am going for this one. It is less floral, more green tea, and the taste is somehow just manageable. This one is too floral. I could taste, after taste more of jasmine. But then again, this might appeal to the younger ones. This will appeal to more people, I would say. And so if I have to make a choice between the two, I am going for this one. Although this is more expensive, you are going to get a better tasting jasmine green tea. So there you go. If you have tried both of these and you agree or disagree, do let me know, comment below. I would love to hear what you think. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also, let me know if you'd like me to cover anything in my future video clips. Don't forget to check out my book, All Things Milk Tea. Stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.